Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm reading The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Once upon a time, the very hungry caterpillar went lonely on the moon, a little egg lay on the leaf. The sun came pop out of the little caterpillar, the very hungry caterpillar. He tried for some food. On Wednesday, he ate through one apple. On Tuesday, he ate through two pears. But he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through three plums. But he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through one, two, three, four strawberries, but he was still hungry. On fifth day, he ate through 5 oranges. But he was still hungry. It was still Tuesday again. He ate through one piece of chocolate cake, one ice cream cone, one pickle, one slice of Swiss cheese. One slice of Swiss cheese. Salami. One lollipop, one pie. One sausage, one cupcake, and one stuffed watermelon. Last night he had a stomach ache. It was still Tuesday again. The very hungry caterpillar ate through a nice green leaf. Last night he got better. Now he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. Big fat caterpillar. Caterpillar tied him up nice, called a cocoon inside. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. The very hungry caterpillar got out of the cocoon, and he turned into a butterfly. Flapping wings up and down. Flapping wings up and down.
The end.
Okay, that's